The OEMTOOLS Power Cross Lug Wrench is designed to provide higher torque than a standard 14-inch lug wrench, but comes in a space-saving package. The Power Cross has three configurations: Power Mode, Speed Mode, and Storage Mode. Power Mode gives you 2 times the torque of a standard lug wrench to break stubborn lug nuts free. Speed Mode is the standard 14-inch lug wrench configuration for quick lug nut removal. When you're all done, the Power Cross packs away to a 17-inch by 1 1/8 inch package. Also, this tool features a 1/2-inch drive, so you can use with any 1/2-inch drive socket. Never get stuck with a flat. Always carry an OEMTOOLS Power Cross.